beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this sweet potato chips recipe from the very comfort of your home. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So this is my sweet potato. I'll be working with a smaller size of sweet potato so I can work with it easily. You know, sweet potato is very strong, okay? So when slicing it, you start battling with it. So working with this size will be very easy for me. You can go ahead to use the big one if that's what you want. Next, I'll go over to wash my sweet potato. You know, sweet potato is a root plant, so it is very dirty. So I'll go ahead to use my sponge to wash it till it is very clean. So I'll rinse it over and over again. Why I'm washing it first? Because I don't want after slicing I'll wash it again. Okay, that will make me to wait for it to get dry before frying. So but with this method, you just finish slicing and you go ahead to fry. Next, I'll be using my peeler. I'll peel it till it is clean. Next, I'll be using my manual slicer to slice it. You can use knife to slice it if you don't have this, okay? So the more thin the sweet potato, the more crunchy it will become. When it gets to a certain point, I'll have to place it here and slice it so that I wouldn't slice my hand. This is the thinness I have. So if you make it thin, it will become more crunchy. So here I have my vegetable oil heated up and I added in turmeric powder and salt. Okay, and that gave it a good taste, and turmeric powder, it makes the color to be brighter. So I'll go ahead and heat up my vegetable oil on a medium heat and I'll transfer all the sweet potato into my vegetable oil. I'm going to be stirring this occasionally till I get the brownness I want. So the more dry it becomes, the more crunchy it will become also. So you fry it till it is dry so it can last for you. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here will make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe and stay connected, okay? So this is my final look. The taste was amazing. It was bright. Try this and I'll see you in my next video. From me is bye-bye.